Okay, so I'm not a new car kind of guy, but my dad switched to these over the Motorcraft ones in his 5.4 Triton because they're a little better built design and all that, and they've been working pretty good. They're the E3s right there, Buhas. And this is one that's been running in there. It's been in there probably maybe 6 months or so. I think there's a little something wrong there. It's kind of just melting the hell out of it. So maybe some of you 5.4 guys can tell me the best way to fix this. Looks to me kind of like the injector is not spraying right or something, and it's got a bad lean condition. But like I say, as you can see, you're missing a good section of spark plug there. And the scariest part is all of that has gone down through his engine. So yeah, like I say, all these missing parts melted and went somewhere down through the engine. So definitely not a good thing when you're missing parts that go inside of a cylinder. But yeah, if anybody can tell me what the hell that is and has some experience with the 5.4 Triton, I'd really like to hear what you think and what the best fix is for that. So please help out there, and if you haven't already, please like, comment, subscribe. We'll catch you on next video, y'all. Take care.